everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं about some outfits that I wish I wore on Splitsvilla instead of some outfits that I did wear on Splitsvilla. So let's begin. Featuring new me. So let's begin judging myself. The first outfit that I wish I did not wear on Splitsvilla is this. Because what was I thinking? It is clearly very unflattering. ये color मुझे काफी wash out कर रहा है. It is constantly drooping. It is not at all flattering, and even my legs don't look appealing. I don't know what was wrong with me. Why did I even wear this? Perhaps I didn't have a better choice. But what could we have worn instead? And what we could have worn instead is this. Why this? मैं बैठे बैठे नहीं तो भी 3 reason तो दे सकती हूँ why I should have worn this. Number 1, the color. Red and black is a classic combo. I don't think कोई भी कभी भी red और black के combo में गलत हो सकता है. Especially if the red is a flaming hot red and the black is absolutely subtle matte. The second reason, and one of the most important reasons, is the quality of the fabric. Because it is extremely flowy, इसमें creases नहीं पड़ेंगे, you won't feel hot, you'll be able to breathe easily with the clothes, and most importantly, the fit. Look at the fit. Because I think the fit is pretty exciting. It is seamless, it's absolutely flowy, and it makes you feel comfortable and breathable at the same time. So I think these are enough reasons for why I should have worn this instead of that. The second outfit जो मैं wish करती हूँ कि शायद मैंने ना पहना होता तो बेहतर होता is this one. Because honestly, I like the color. It is one of my favorites, okay? Mustard yellow, one of my favorites. But the fit is rather unflattering. It is neither flowy, it's neither tight. कहीं बीच का होके रह गया है and it's just not coming out. It's not giving. It's not flattering enough. So, what I wish I had worn instead of that is this. And why? Well, why not? I think ये dress खुद में ही एक reason है why you must wear it. Because number 1, white is an all-season color. I don't think one can ever go wrong with white. उसमें भी this dress because it just gives you very pretty, very feminine vibes. It's got flowers all over it and the dress is actually very light. मतलब तुम्हें अपने body पे ये कहीं से भी heavy नहीं लगेगा and you're bound to feel pretty. And let's not forget about the fit of it because this is what the fit looks like. Absolutely stunning, breathing, tight, and just how you like it. If you need more reasons to wear a dress like this, the only reason you need is you're gonna love it. This is one of my most favorite dresses and I think every other girl will definitely want a dress like this in their wardrobe. So what are you waiting for? Go order now. The next outfit जिसकी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा fan नहीं हूँ is this. Honestly, it's a nice dress. इसमें कुछ खराबी नहीं है, color भी अच्छा है. It's overall very nice. But it's just not Splitsvilla dome worthy, you know. Something is missing. I think the X factor overall is a little lacking. Perhaps it's the fit, it's the color, or it's just me in the dress. Oh, it cannot be me in the dress, it's the dress. What we can do instead, and what we should have worn instead of this, is this. And why? Well, why not? I think the dress is in itself an answer as to why we must have worn this. Because number 1, it is the most classic color combination that I know of. Black and white individually are star players. So when they come together, it's the collaboration of 2 star players resulting in another star player. So I think ये काफी stand out करता अगर मैं इसको dome में पहनती. Not just that, I love the neckline. It is just so attractive, like it catches your eye in the most beautiful manner. And it complements the entire dress. अलग नहीं लगता कहीं से. And let's not forget about the fit. Because the fitting is absolutely stunning. It is flowy just like water, just like butter, and it enhances and accentuates your entire figure. So I think these are more than enough reasons as to why I shouldn't have worn that and I must have worn this. The next outfit is something जो मेरी आँखों में काफी खटकता है. I wore this in one of my VDs, which is this, and I still don't know why I wore this. यार मुझे लगा कि VD इतनी बड़ी बात होगी नहीं, कोई ध्यान देगा नहीं, but I was so wrong. VD काफी important होती है and this just does not enhance. It doesn't add to my look. It doesn't uplift my appearance. ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने कपड़े को नहीं कपड़े ने मुझे पहना है, and that is not how it's supposed to be. So, what I should have worn instead of that is this. And before we talk about this dress, can you please look at this dress? The print, the flow, the fit. It is hands down one of my favorite dresses. And if your body type is like me, which is petite, which is slim, you must get this dress because within seconds, you'll transform from slim to slim thick. This is a wonderful dress and I 100% endorse it. Besides, can we also talk about the fit of the dress and the fabric and moreover, the print? Talk about summers, talk about springs, and you don't get this dress? Impossible. And I think now this is reason enough why I should have worn this instead of that. And finally, the last outfit, which I sort of wish I could change, is this. Not because इसमें कोई भी कमी है, it's a beautiful, wonderful dress and I love the fit, I love the color, I love everything. It's like a 10 on 10 dress. But Splitsvilla Dome deserves an 11 on 10 dress. Yeah. And although इसमें कोई कमी नहीं है, it lacks the X factor. So what I wish I wore instead of this is this. And the reason is pretty simple. It's a rather simplistic dress designed in one tone, but the highlight of the dress is the neckline. You can see पूरा का पूरा frame तो grey है, monotone. But ऊपर आकर देखो तो I love how the white lacy line, it doesn't take away from the dress, it doesn't take away the focus, but just gives the right amount of focus where and when required. And overall is dress ki flow, fit, fabric, everything is dome worthy. So with that, we are done with all the outfits that I wish I wore on splits, but sadly did not. So you don't make the same mistakes that I did. All the outfit descriptions, the links, everything will be provided in the description box. And subscribe me for more content and hit the bell icon so you never miss a post. Bye!